Hello everyone, welcome to XCon 2025, the biggest construction festival of India. And today we are here at the brand which is telling the story of progress and setting new benchmark in the CE industry. Welcome to Construction Mirror, sir. So sir, can you please tell us more about the newly launched products of your brand in XCon 2025?
This XCon 2025 is very special for the Ligong. This time we had displayed 29 equipments, and all 29 equipments are the EV. In entire XCon, this is the only stall which is 100% green. Means we are displayed equipment with the cable powered or it's a battery powered. So here we displayed our mining equipment, means EV, mining graders, mining dump trucks, mining excavators, and bigger loader like 11 ton payload capacity. And other than that, we have 11 different line of product for the material handling equipments are there. Other than that, we have skid steer EV, telehandlers are EV, and the best interesting thing what we have is the power banks. There is we can replace the gensets with the power banks also.
So sir, XCon is the backbone of the CE industry. So what kind of response you are getting from the visitors as you have showcased so many products at your stall?
Initially, we are very excited when we decided we have to go only with the EV, and I'm really delighted to inform you we are got the overwhelming response from all the customers. They really want to see the new technology equipment. As of now, none of the other OEMs taken so much focus on the EV products.
So sir, how has been 2025 so far according to you in terms of business opportunities for Indian market?
As of now, till last 11 months, is performing very good. Even with this year, we have got almost 20% of growth in my business. And hopefully, with the new launch of the EV products, next year margins will increase up to 30% minimum.
So sir, what are your hopes from 2026 from CE industry?
It should grow more and more as government already put lot of mining projects into the floor, as well as the number of projects for their road projects are already announced. So definitely 2026 will be going to be a great year for all of us.
So sir, are there any upcoming projects or any ambitious plans that your brand is going to launch in the upcoming years?
Next year we are targeting of total sales, 30% should be the EV. That is our major target. We want to save our mother nature by offering this EV equipments.
As you have mentioned sustainability so many times in the interview, so what are the other measures as an industry we can take to ensure the greener future?
I should request to the government. They should make compulsory for the road projects or the mining project. At least 20 to 30% equipment should be EV. Definitely, it will save lot of diesel and help to save our mother nature.